Hello and hi everyone. This is an example of eccentric shaft that consists of a much smaller diameter of the shaft itself with a different center. To produce this kind of eccentric shaft, it involves offset turning using a 4-jaw chuck.
This is a 4-jaw chuck. Firstly, the center offset of the eccentric diameter was marked on the workpiece. The workpiece is placed on the 4-jaw chuck with the marked offset center aligned with the 4-jaw. Pre-fasten the jaws one by one. Now, this is how to adjust the position of the workpiece so that the offset center is aligned with the dead center of the machine's tailstock. The offset center alignment is to ensure the offset turning will be done correctly to produce desired eccentric shaft. Bring the tailstock dead center close to the workpiece. If the offset center is higher than the dead center, loosen the lower jaw and fasten the upper jaw. Then, align the left and right jaw with the dead center using the same method. If the offset center position is more to the left, loosen the right jaw and fasten the left jaw to adjust the workpiece more to the center. The accuracy of the offset center position can be measured using surface gauge. Adjust the scriber end of the surface gauge on the marked offset center. Rotate the chuck manually and ensure the surface gauge position exactly on the marked center. Observe the marked offset center when the chuck is rotating. If the marked center does not sway from the surface gauge, then the offset center is in the correct position. Then, the eccentric machining process can be carried out. Before starting the machining process, ensure the tool bit touches the outermost part of the workpiece. This is to avoid broken tool bits when starting the eccentric turning process. The tool bit is fed little by little into the workpiece until the eccentric diameter is formed. The eccentric turning process is carried out until the desired measurement is obtained.
An eccentric turning process is done, and this is the finished product.